Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my business using only social media marketing strategies. In today's digital landscape, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses of all sizes. And that's where social media marketing comes in, a powerful tool that can help you reach new customers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. Let's face it, as a business owner, you've probably tried to leverage social media to grow your business, but it's not as easy as it seems. One of the biggest challenges is getting people to engage with your content. You post something, and it's like throwing it into a black hole: no likes, no comments, no shares. It's frustrating, and it makes you wonder if social media is even worth it. Another common challenge is understanding your target audience. Who are they? What do they want from you? How do you speak to them in a way that resonates? It's tough to figure out, and if you don't get it right, you end up wasting time and resources on the wrong people. And then there's the issue of measuring success. How do you know if your social media efforts are paying off? Are you tracking the right metrics? Are you adjusting your strategy based on the data? It's hard to know what to focus on, and it's easy to get lost in the sea of analytics. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome these challenges and make social media work for your business? It starts with understanding your audience and creating content that speaks to them. It's about targeting the right people with the right message at the right time. And it's about tracking your results and adjusting your strategy accordingly. One of the most effective strategies is creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. This can be in the form of videos, images, infographics, or even live streams. The key is to make it valuable, informative, and entertaining. You want people to look forward to your content, to share it with their friends, and to come back for more. Another strategy is to target your audience strategically. This means understanding their demographics, interests, and behaviors, and using that information to create highly targeted campaigns. You want to make sure you're reaching the people who are most likely to become customers, and that you're speaking to them in a way that resonates. Analytics are also crucial in social media marketing. You need to track your results, understand what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This means monitoring your engagement metrics, tracking your website traffic, and measuring your conversion rates. You want to know what's driving sales and what's not, so you can optimize your strategy for maximum ROI. Let me share with you a case study that illustrates the transformative power of social media marketing. One of our clients, a small e-commerce business, was struggling to reach new customers. They had a great product, but they just couldn't seem to get the word out. We worked with them to develop a social media strategy that targeted their ideal customer, created high-quality content that resonated with their audience, and tracked their results obsessively. The result? A 500% increase in sales over 6 months. It was a game changer for their business, and it's a testament to the power of social media marketing. In conclusion, social media marketing is a powerful tool that can help you grow your business, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. By understanding your audience, creating high-quality content, targeting strategically, and tracking your results, you can overcome the common challenges and make social media work for you. Remember, it's not about throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks. It's about having a clear strategy, executing it with precision, and measuring your results obsessively. Thanks for tuning in. If you want more tips on social media marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any experiences or tips to share, please leave them in the comments below.